Hey there, creative souls. Welcome back to Resin World. It's been a long time since I have uploaded any video because of winter, and second, I'm busy with other stuffs. Now, without taking too much time, today let me take you to this very easy to make and beautiful photo frame tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using 4-inch square silicone mold which I have placed diagonally or in diamond shape. I'm not going to make a regular square photo frame. So before start, always ensure that the mold is clean and free of any dust or debris. So I am using this fairy light or LED string lights to add some enchanting lighting effects in photo frame. I am gently molding them inside the mold, leaving the center clear so that they won't become a hinder to my design and give a perfect lighting. So as to where you get them, easily available on art stores or Amazon and other online shopping platforms as fairy lights. Okay, so after arranging them as per my liking, I'm using the UV resin, pouring a little drop on one corner of the light and will cure it with mini UV light lamp. Now why I'm doing this is to make sure lights will not lose its shape. We're going to repeat the very same steps for other corners too. So now I have removed the lights from mold and start pouring the resin into the mold. I'm pouring it very slowly so that it won't create too much bubbles. Since I'm aiming for a transparent look, won't be adding any color. After filling half mold with resin, I'm putting lights back to its place and pressing it lightly, making sure it goes inside resin layer. When you do this, make sure to use gentle hands to avoid creating bubbles in resin. Okay, now I'm using this pink pyramid chunks and spreading them in resin. I'm just putting them in half mold. After getting a satisfying look, I'm going to leave this in a dust-free area to cure and came back second day to proceed further. So this is the next day. Now resin is completely touch-free and ready to pour the next layer. This is the photo I'm going to use to make sure it stays in its place. I'm applying some Fevicol to its back and stick it to the surface. So before we jump into the next step, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified of our latest videos. Okay, so next I'm using these pressed flowers in purple color, carefully placing them and arranging them as per my liking, creating a beautiful flower arrangement with them. Please keep this in mind, you don't have to use each and everything like mine, just use the same steps to make a photo frame. Okay, after arranging the flowers, I'm pouring the resin. So I'm pouring it slowly. To get rid of air bubbles, you can use rubbing alcohol, torch gun or heat gun, whichever you found convenient to use. Okay, now it's time to leave this in a dust-free area to cure. Now it's time to demold this. This is my old tea light holder, which I am going to convert in a stand for photo frame. We'll attach photo frame to its stand with the help of UV resin. Leave a comment if you want to see a detailed tutorial on how I turned this tea light holder into stand. I hope you enjoyed crafting of this photo frame. If you do, then don't become a stingy and hit the like button. Share it with your friends, family, and don't forget to subscribe to channel. Stay inspired and keep creating.